Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to cover what you're going to get out of this course called AI Engineering for Professionals. So let's get started. We have a belief if you give a man a fish, if he's hungry, then you will just feed him for a day. If you teach him how to fish, then you will feed him for a lifetime. So we have that belief that whenever we try to teach something, the person should get complete understanding of what the technology is around and how to learn it self-handedly. So that's where we always try to teach the person the ability to self-learn. Whereas, in contrast, other courses or other videos or other trainings, they will just teach you some XYZ concepts at a fixed boundary, and then you will be left hanging. And whenever you want to learn again, then you will be ending up joining the course again, starting from the scratch. And we want to be a better version. We try to teach the ability to self-learn. So on that belief only, if we are handling this course, and you're going to get upskilled in that area as well. Now coming to the course landscape, it's going to be majorly classified into three steps. One is foundation. Foundation is more of like what is a computer, how it works, an operating system. It could be how to handle cloud, and then handle Git and Python. So here it's more of like you're understanding that the software industry on from the scratch. It's going to be like what exactly things how things run. So you're going to learn that kind of knowledge in this foundation. Whereas in the AI and ML, here you're going to learn the basics. Here you're going to understand what is happening on the models level, on the and even how the models are being built, how they are going to be deployed, how to write a custom pipeline, how to fine tune the models, and how to apply it on in real use cases. So this is the crunch of this particular course, where you are going to spend a lot of time uh, being able to typically understand whenever you get a use case, how to assess it and how to take a decision. After that, the third module is more of on the infrastructure aspect. It's more of like production grade, how you are going to serve it in the company, what are the factors that you need to consider, how to operate them, how to manage them, how to monitor them. Those kind of skill sets are being covered. So the thing is, whenever if you compare similar courses in the industry, they are more of like focus on any one particular area. What I mean by that is, if you just join any postgraduate courses or bachelor's degree courses, they focus on either basics or on the LLM pipelines. Whereas if you attend any agentic AI courses, they focus on only applications of AI. And then if you focus on the infrastructure level, they will focus only on this. But here you, you even with you knowing nothing, from there you are going to learn the skills such that foundation is set in place, and then AI and ML goes into the picture, and then infrastructure wise, this is where there is a huge demand in the market. What I mean by that is, when companies are seeking candidates, they are just not like, hey, if you know some applications of AI, we will hire you. If you know something like fine tuning of AI, they will hire you. They expect you to know how to write a program such that it handles all these use cases. They expect you to know how to monitor your de- deployed models. What are the criteria that you selected for deploying a particular model? So and then once if you want to know all these kind of things, then it has the foundational requirement of how exactly GPU works or CPU works, what happens, so that you know that you know whenever you want to make a decision, you are aware what are the criteria that you have considered. So that is clearly missing with what current with what I have experienced so far. So, and I want to address this gap through this course. Now, in summary, what you learn in the technical aspects are more of like you will learn the ability to you will learn the ability to learn new tools and technologies. The learning doesn't end in any job. It could be any job. And here in this course, you are going to learn the ability to learn new things. And then mainly software engineers are expected to deliver new things as and when needed. So for that to happen, you should have a programming knowledge. So that is being taught in this course. Now you might say like, hey, AI chatbots or AI LLMs, AI models are able to do this. You're completely incorrect statement. That is, the AI and LLMs are good at coding skills. They are not good at programming skills. There are two different things. Coding is just like writing some English, whereas programming is creating the underlying content, how to what you need to write. So programming knowledge will always uh, persist and it will always be in demand. So you are going to learn that skill. Then fundamental understanding of software industry and AI industry. So how whenever a new demand comes in, what exactly happens, how it gets translated from the leads to managers to you, what are they going to expect out of you. So that kind of understanding in the software industry are going to get. And technical understanding in the sense like it's not just like you're going to end up using something out of the shelf and then you are done with the job. You should know what you're dealing with. For that reason, you in this course you're going to learn the ability to read research papers, how to stay updated with new informations. All those kind of things are going to be taught. And then exposure to real market demand scales, more of like in the previous videos you might have seen how if you haven't seen, there is that demand analysis video. You can see what are the exact demand that is there, and you are going to learn all those kind of things in this course. Then mock interviews and resume preparations. We will have mock interviews so that there is some sort of working, you get accustomed to attend these kind of interviews. So you're going to get a portfolio of end-to-end projects such that and then we will be making you work on them so that you understand what the projects are, and then you are able to respond back in the interviews. And unlimited AI tools and production ready tools for effective learnings. So here your licenses and those kind of headaches are taken away. They will be available unlimited so that you can use and continuously learn. So beyond technicals, what you're going to get is more of like our prime focus is ability to clear interviews. So we make the course a lot of conversational. It's not going to be like a one way teacher class kind of a thing. It's more going to be like both both teachers and students are going to be working in sync such that work happens in a very conversational style. That's the focus that we are putting in place. Ability to learn new skills, I have already emphasized it. So there is going to be a dedicated mentor. If you face any blockers, if you face any issues, he's going to address your queries. Fundamental understanding of software industry, I think that has got repeated. Anyways, so exposure to real market demand skills, that is also being covered. Fast forward of resumes to interviews. We have connections with interviewers. We will the moment the course is completed, we evaluate you and then we'll be passing your resumes to the interviewer so that you are so that they have your profiles at hand whenever there is a vacancy. So you're going to get a co-working learning groups so that uh, not only mentor is going to be solving all your problems, your peers, you work with them and then you discuss among, and then you're going to resolve most of the queries that you generally get. So that's all there is. We hope that you're going to make best use of this course, and then by the end of the day you should be able to get placed in industry. Now, yeah, thank you.